this was a crazy journey, guys, till coming here. Okay, the life journey is different, but till coming here, it's also another journey. I'm telling you honestly, right now. At yesterday, I slept late, around 2 to 3 a.m.
3 a.m. we were
Yeah,
talking actually.
around 3 a.m. and I woke up at 5:30 because I have session at 7 a.m. every day in my community. I do 2 hour session. So I did 2 hour session. I got super exhausted. I don't know what happened. And they would send me this link. Hey bro, join it at 2 p.m. I sent him a video message that, hey bro, I'm super exhausted. I don't know what is going on. But he didn't told me that this is a community interview. Maybe he forgot. And I slept, and it was 2 p.m. Alarm was ringing, and I was not able to understand what is going on. And even light, electricity was gone. And then I said, what to do now? And then I saw his video calls, and I said, let me get him. But I was not able to look at phone. And right now it is lockdown time going on, guys. And I live in Mumbai. Even he lives in Mumbai. But right now, me and my younger brother stuck here in Mumbai. We don't have good food. Right now, if I want to show you, this kind of all the things are around me now. This anjeer and all the dry foods. I mean, right now, I said like, let me get in. He said a lot of time, multiple times, if I can see, multiple messages. I was telling him, please think about my health, bro. He's saying this
See,
meeting will mess up and all these things.
see, this is the habit of entrepreneurs. They never quit. They keep on forcing you, keep on forcing you.
I was going to tell the same that this is called the entrepreneur mindset. And even in myself, like I was thinking, man, I should go and
You,
I even I
I
told
tell you,
him, hey bro,
Purushottam,
Devrat,
even
I respect you a
like
lot.
you were messaging me, I was completely ignoring your message, and here I'm talking about your story because I know that what's the potential of your story. Just like I knew about that complete story in the last webinar that we had actually. So I was like,
Hmm.
okay, uh, no worries, and let's keep the things rolling in. It was just like let the ball just keep rolling in, and let's see
Yes.
how the journey goes. And I was just on your journey, and we have been to the point again. Now you will use your complete thing, but we were at a point where we were discussing about the point where you actually created VMM and your source of inspiration for VM. But now,
Yes.
as you are there on this live, it's again totally up to you. Take the things ahead. Let the ball keep rolling in.
Yes.
It's
Yes.
completely up to you. So
Yes.
start the journey, and we'll have this a question answer session. Pretty simple. Some questions from my side, some question from the audience. Okay, let's do
Yes.
it like this.
Yeah.
First
So
thing,
honestly speaking,
yeah,
yes.
go
Let me
ahead.
tell you one thing. Honestly speaking, guys, right now, you as you all are here, I don't have that kind of physical energy, but the kind of passion we have. Take example of Devrat. Right now, my own example, I have not had lunch. Okay, in the morning I just had oatmeal, and I had not had lunch. I just woke up and this guy like from 15-20 minutes, which was crazy. But right now I have that energy of my passion because I can see more than 50 people are here, and when we respect each and every one of you. That's why let's get started. Go ahead, Devrat.
Okay.
I'm ready.
So, Purushottam, first tell about your journey because that is something I really take it as an inspiration. And
Yes.
after having the first webinar with you, I realized how like privileged I am that I was in a school where English was nothing so special. Like जहाँ पे English में बात करना was
Hmm.
like pretty common deal. जहाँ पे हम सिर्फ rules तोड़ने के लिए हिंदी में बात करते थे. Again, that day you realized
Wow.
I realized the importance of English in my life. Like I just want to
Hmm.
understand that journey of life from where you started and that your dad incident and everything like that. That was super
Hmm.
inspiring for me.
Yeah. So I'm from Maharashtra, the Nanded Jilla, and inside that there is one small taluka like Umri, and inside Umri there is a small village called Bijegaon. So we do farming, all the people, all the like everyone, and my dad is in a primary school teacher that time. So what happened when I was in 8th standard? My dad went in a jail because a lot of people planned it. Okay, he had not done not even single mistake or any crime. Even I'm saying mistake, not using crime word. Okay, and because of that incident, as my dad is a primary school teacher, the school suspended him. So whenever I remember this kind of kind of things, I get like little bit slow in that motion. In that moment, I go all the time. So that time, the financial problem started. Guys, if you are in a job, if you are doing any business, if your payment is delayed, let me know how many months you have experienced that your payment was delayed. Maybe as an entrepreneur, our payouts get delayed, but just let me know 1 month, 2 months. You can comment right now that I'm going to tell you how many months. Maybe you can guess later on that how many months my dad's payment was stuck because he got suspended from the job. I was in 8th standard. Okay, Nikhil Gunda saying 6 months, Punsab saying 2 months, Ashraf saying 2 months. It was not 2 months, it was not 5 months, it was not 10 months, it was not 15 months, it was not 20, not 30, not even 40. It was for 47 months. My dad had no earning, no payment. He was struggling with courts and courts and courts. Nobody was supporting. As a middle class, at that time, I got to understand that nobody support you. But my dad had passion, like, I will do whatever it takes. He went in high court as well, and from high court we got results that we had not done any mistake, any problem, any crime, nothing. Okay, again problem started. Then he reached out to shikshan adhikari. So the shikshan adhikari means like our government of education. And then we got positive results, and from that time I came into Mumbai. So what I want to tell you is there will be financial problems. So this, because of this problem, what I said, I will do something great in my life. I became responsible person because I was the first child. So that's why I said, like, I will do whatever it takes and I will make it happen. And I left my hometown. I went to Umri. From Umri I went to Nanded. From Nanded I went to Aurangabad for 12, for 11th, for 11 12th. And then I resolved myself that I will, whatever it takes, I will go to Mumbai. कौन सा भी college हो, कुछ भी हो, I just want to go Mumbai, because as we know that Mumbai is a kind of a dream city. Then I said I will go whatever it takes. I will go to Mumbai only. Okay. So I came in Mumbai around 2014-15. I came to Mumbai around 2014-15. And that time when I came to Mumbai, I said, wow, man, I came to Mumbai and I got a hostel here in Nerul, and I used to live in hostel. But the problem started coming from that point, that I was not even able to understand English. I was feeling like, because of low sense of confidence, I was not even able to communicate with my other friends in college, assignment and all the things. I was always delayed. I was always as a backbencher. I was doing nothing. I was like slow down everything. And that time, everybody used to show like, I remember, Devrat, that people used to say, please behave like your name. Your name is Purushottam. Please behave like a name. Even teachers, there should be tutorials, right? In a tutorial, I used to go, and one teacher also asked me, मराठी मध्ये he asked in Marathi, किती शेती आहे तुझ्याकडे, किती शेती आहे, means like how much
How
farm
much
you have.
land you own, actually.
Yeah, how much plant you have. Then I said, like, I just rolled some number. Then he said, why don't you go to your farm and work there? This kind of things they used to tell me, because I was not able to understand. They said, like, how you came to this engineering and what you are doing. Then the second year, I'm telling you, the word came in my life, entrepreneur. So Devrat, you are entrepreneur from there just in school.
Yes, I actually
And
did my
I
first venture in
got
8th
to,
standard. In my first venture actually was in 8th standard.
yes.
It was not like the venture like today we have, like how we do
Hmm.
businesses like today. But again, it was something, just a learning experience. And end of the day, this story relates to the story of Oyo founder Ritesh Agrawal. In the second year, he came to know about that word. Okay, this word.
Hmm.
So again, this is the one story that I was never knew, that you were asked by your teacher to tell about how much land you own. And I feel that in Mumbai
Hmm.
schools, guys, agar aap Mumbai mein nahi ho, to you will not understand this, but in Mumbai schools, there's a lot of ragging going on. Like, just to tell you,
Hmm.
we have not been doing that. Again, मैं ज़्यादा college जाता भी नहीं हूँ, but I've seen people ragging to the guys who don't know the language and the set rules of Mumbai. Shivankar will answer your
Yes.
question. Just don't worry. Just don't worry.
Yes.
Okay, Purushottam,
Hmm.
go ahead.
Yeah, sure. So then I started. getting to know like what is entrepreneurship. I was not able to recall that name a lot of time. And then there was one community started growing about entrepreneurship in college. We participated. It was from IIT Bombay. Then we got first award all over India about entrepreneurship. It was the work doing together. We were 12 member of people. But that time I got a taste of success that, man, wow, this is awesome. I want to do whatever it takes. I will work only in these kind of things. And I started getting KTs in the college, because what I said, like, what is the meaning of entrepreneur, guys? What they do, they solve problems. Just type problems in the comment box. They solve the problems. And which problem? The problem which are around them. And when I started understanding this is called the entrepreneur, then I said my problems around like farming, farming problem. And then I started thinking about what I can do. I started a startup. I'm telling you, Devraj, I think I have not told you. I started a startup like agri for farmers. I wanted to train farmers. I wanted to help farmers to live a better life. Even I reached out. I worked 7 months. I even I reached out to Nana Patekar. Okay. But because of getting a lot of KTs, a lot of things, semester dropped the plan. Then I realized I'm telling you this not just to tell, but I'm gonna give you a lesson, guys, right now. What is the lesson from this is experiences. Based on your experiences, you cannot feed your family. How many of you agree with this thought? Just type I agree. Experiences, you cannot feed your family. Just type I agree. And by failing into that offline startup, I just got to know that I cannot feed my family based on this experience. That time I got in my mind that what to do now. I need fruits in the future. If I do whatever do if I do anything right now, it should give me fruit in the future. And that's called the internet. That's how I got to know internet entrepreneurship. That if I do something online, it can give me fruit in the future. Right now, even if you make video, guys, that can give you fruit in the future. But that time, then I started learning, knowing, thinking, searching about what is internet entrepreneurship, what people are doing on internet. And that time I was around end of second year to third year. Okay. I was entering into third year. That time I started learning more about it, started reading books, then Rich Dad Poor Dad, then this kind of books started coming in my life. Because when we start thinking about this kind of things, all the things will come around you. Okay. I read Think and Grow Rich, this kind of books, and they really help me. That's the only reason I'm taking the name of that Think and Grow Rich book. And that time, when I started doing that Your Life Path, my company started like register the domain name. Company means like registering domain name, that kind of thing. Okay, I was in a practical. I got idea. I ran to home. I started thinking about searching about how to book the domain, all the things, and I booked my first domain, Your Life Pal. That was a journey for choosing Your Life Pal. Yes. You want to speak something, Devrat?
Okay, guys, I'm back the host. Okay. Can anyone guess how many domains actually I own and how many companies I own? This is just a simple random question. When Purushottam, you are also allowed to become a part of this. You have to type in how many domains I own. That's one. Just write number and again attach D to it, that domain, and companies I own, attach C to it. Like the number of domain D and the number of companies C. Any idea? 30 domains, 55 domains, 30 domains, 10 domains, 40 domains, 10 companies, 10 companies, 100 domains, 3 companies, 8 domains, 3 companies. Purushottam, you are also wrong. So I actually, if I just get into the legal matters, okay, just with the legal matters, again, with the LLP and private limited sort of companies, not with proprietorship. So I own 4 companies, which I'm a legal part of, 4 companies. And the number of domains that I own over just my GoDaddy account is more than 165. I got my first domain in my 8th standard. Until now, I have 165 domains portfolio. And out of that, more than 135 close to that are premium domains. Like first they were not premium, now I'm getting a lot of requests for that. So this is one thing to learn. Again, guys, you could continue with your post for the day. Purushottam.
Yes, then I registered the domain. I started working on that. Even I started my YouTube channel. But the problem started coming. Like I just one day I got a call from my family that my dad is in ICU. He got an accident, and I was thinking like I was doing everything, and but I have to left everything. I went home and I saw like I went and I went to hospital and I saw my dad had 60 to 70 stitches on his face. Okay, he had a bike accident. Okay, he fall on exact on a face, and he was feeling so happy to be seeing me there, but he was not even able to show his feelings because of that. And now after that, things started going getting better, but the biggest problem coming came in front of my family, that how to pay the fees of my next year. I was entering into fourth year, right? Third year was around completing because I started working on this online business and all the things. And they had a biggest problem, what to do now, how to pay. And I asked myself, I went in front of mirror and I asked myself that, is it for me? Is this for me? This engineering and doing job, is this for me? Then from inside, I said like, no, man, you have to give jobs. Then why should you land up in a job? And that time I decided like, I will leave everything. I will leave the college. And that time the Think and Grow Rich book helped me to take a decision that you have to live with only one option. If you have multiple options, you will not achieve that greatness. How many of you guys are here to achieve greatness? Just type greatness in the comment box. How many of you are here who want to achieve greatness in your life? And you can also type greatness and one person who you think who have achieved the greatness in their life. Greatness, and type Sachin Tendulkar. Greatness, like any name who you think like achieved the greatness in their life. Just type greatness and the name. Rahul Bhatnagar, Saurabh Bhatnagar, yes. Devrat. Wow. Awesome, guys. So anybody like Varun Maya, even Purushottam saying you, okay, Dhoni, anyone, I'm telling you, if you see anybody who is achieving greatness, any success, only because of having one direction, one thing in their life, one option in their life. If they have multiple options, they will never able to achieve greatness in their life. That's the truth. Okay, and that's how I took a decision. I will leave my college even after third year. Everybody said no. Everybody said, "Are you mad? पागल है." ऐसे इतने लोगों ने गाली दी. Even in the college, my home, my dad got a lot of things in like because of other people. बाकी लोग बोलने लगे ऐसे कैसे decision ले सकता है बच्चा. What he is doing and a lot of things. Okay, but still we stood with that same decision. And then I started working on affiliate marketing, digital marketing. This kind of things started coming in. I started having more and more mentors. I had no option to win this battle. I had no option. I have burned everything. I left the college. Now I became a 12th student. After third year, when I left the college, people started telling me, you are just 12th now. Then I said, don't worry. I will do whatever it takes. I will achieve great results. And then the journey started where financial problems were there. This problem is there. People are saying, you left the college, you have no option now. Okay, my dad, my family, other members used to say like, you have a daughter. To my dad, they were saying, you have a daughter, you are putting money here, you are taking loans, what will happen? And there a time came when I invested in my mentors courses. I left with 200 rupees. Even I had a problem where I for paying for the next month rent for my room here in Mumbai. Even I have faced problem to have a food. Next lunch was the problem. My friend told me to have a 60 rupees lunch. There was unlimited lunch. I used to go there. I used to eat. But there was a time even I didn't had 60 rupees in my bank account. One account had only 54 rupees. Even I have documented this, man. If I knew before I have to do this, I would have bring those everything. Okay.
even
So
even even with this, just I want to just, sorry to come in between. There is a lot of time that I would get this question, and again Purushottam, I think he would also be getting question is, sir, how can I start if I have no money? Guys, to start actually you don't need money. Just to tell you guys, मतलब मैं बताता हूँ, I actually stopped taking money from my parents. जैसे मतलब पुरुषोत्तम had this thing like कि again घर पे situations आती है सबके. In my case, it was not like this. I did not have any type of this financial things with my family, like issues from my family. But I thought if I take money from them, again, मुझे आज भी ऐसा थोड़ा सा difference लगता है कि यार मैं 8th standard में इतना mature चीजें कैसे सोचता था. So I started actually facing cutting of money. Okay, like when mom and dad paisa de dete, I used to say like, meko, I actually want to tell you, my 8th standard, 9th standard, and 10th standard fees. I was in a school which was the most reputed school in, like, let's say, the around an area of 40 to 50 kilometers. So I actually am a student of St. Francis DCL School, which is one of the big names, like with Xavier's. The fees
Yes.
was 10 times higher than any other school in my locality. And I took a challenge like, why my parents are paying? If they could make money, okay, if they could make money, why not I can make the money by my own? That was my one thing in my mind. I started
Yes.
thinking like, how can I support this thing? Okay. And I used to do internships. Okay. I used to do internships during the time of this vacations. Okay. और vacations में मैं इतना कमा लेता था कि then I had the money for that complete year. Okay. आप क्या है, आप खुद से जब थोड़ा सा पैसे दे दो ना घर वाले का, और वो थोड़ा सा ना reputation ही अलग हो जाती है. So it used to be like कि अभी they used to stop me from like taking phone or working on my laptop. Okay, that time I used to had a very basic laptop. They used to stop me. But now when I'm able to pay my fees and I say that ये जो laptop है यही मेरे को पैसे दे रहा है to pay my fees, then they start supporting you. Again, if someone knows
Yes.
my if someone follows me, like I do a lot of things for my parents. Like I give them vacations, I go with them on a vacations, I do every possible thing for my family. But one thing to remember is that everything in this world, and especially on internet, okay, just I'm talking especially on internet, you cannot segregate the things. Okay, you cannot segregate the things based upon money. Okay, there was a time,
Yes.
I covered this thing with I covered this thing in a video with Saurabh Bhatnagar. After making shit tons of money, like where in my 12th standard I am having more than like 12 I'm having like 1 lakh 2 lakh rupees a month. Okay, with at such a young age, I came to a point where I was having no money in my 12th standard. And then I went to Goa with Saurabh. And when I reached to Saurabh, he was knowing this problem. And in a video interview that is already posted out on my channel, I revealed that only I had 60 or 65 bucks in my pocket. The journey started from that point again. मतलब अभी तो मैं और पुरुषोत्तम भाई, how much money that you have spent last month on ads? This month and last 30 days. Any idea of ads? How much you spent?
You can see like 30 into like, around 8 lakh.
8 lakh is spent on ad. Around 8 lakh is spent on ad. See, internet, पता है ये चीज में ना, ये चीज बहुत अच्छी है. आप किसी और इंडस्ट्री में जाओगे ना, there would be a lot of differentiation for you. Like लोग ना आपको segregate करते हैं. जैसे कि let's say you want to become a film star. So there are some specific characteristics जो आपके अंदर होनी चाहिए. You should be someone, a son or a daughter of a well-known star or things like that. One thing for sure, internet में ना ये जो भी कहते हैं, I'm not getting that specific word, but internet never segregates people into is he rich or poor. Internet only supports people who are ready to do hard work. Okay, only internet support that people. And remember, internet marketing is something that you have to do. And Purushottam, go ahead. So
yeah, I work with the number, I work with the proofs, so I can show you right now. Are you able to see the screen? Last 30 days I have spent around 7,76,000. So I said 8 is not 8, 776. Okay,
again, I did not got this update of Facebook. They are still not allowing me to get this upgrade.
Okay.
Go ahead, bro.
Okay. Where we were at, give me a second.
We were at a point where you were talking about the money that you had left in your pocket and
yes,
invested in a mentor.
Even I shown you the screenshot here, guys. You can see this. I had left with 56 rupees on one bank account, and I love to document everything because in my case, when I was in school, when I was in college, when I used to come across to these people who have achieving great results, अपना mind है ना automatically believe नहीं करता है कभी कभी because of thinking about our own problems. हमको ना हमारे problems बड़े लगते हैं, and we have that doubt कि like he maybe have good lifestyle, maybe he have some family support, financial support, that's why he achieved results. That's why I said like now I know I'm going to achieve great results in my life, why not I document this so that I can help each and everyone who think I don't have money, who think I'm not good enough, who think I have no skills, who think like I'm not good enough. I wanted to show them that, show that person, if I can do, you can also do it. That's the only reason I started keep documenting my journey. Okay. And after that, guys, I started and then I came to Mumbai again. Then I focused on what I can do better. I started working on my mindset. I started joining a Sadhguru's inner engineering program. I left external engineering and I joined inner engineering by Sadhguru to work on my mind, my body, and all the things, and started having good mentors. But still, again, one problem came that I had an appendix operation, and then it nearly burst. So it had infected my other organs like liver, spleen, and again downfall started. I had a powerful health, everything was awesome, but again I got zero. Then I said like, man, I lost my health now. Okay, I lost my already I didn't had money. I was doing something, I was working on YouTube, and I was launching some good videos. People started knowing me. But still, you can see, if you want, I can show you here. I don't have exact images, but then even in hospital, I recorded a video. And when I started little bit getting better, and then I said like, I got a new life. This video can change your life. And in hospital, I recorded that video. Okay, I don't have good images here, I think, but you can see this here. I was in ICU that time, and that time I said, okay, man, I know how I don't have a lot of money. I am also losing my health. I said like, now everything is gone. But I again come across to new mentor. I was on a bed, hospital bed. I was searching what I can do. Instead of this painkiller, what if I get any success feel online by going through some mentors? Okay. Yes. Not only Siddharth sir, there was Vic Strizius, then Siddharth Ratsegar came. And that's how this is the point where Devrat, I got back into the motion right now. After that incident, I'm telling you incident, I'm telling you clearly, because we think incident, this kind of problems, we say, why me? Why I'm getting this problem? But I'm telling you this problem so that maybe you are going through any problem, maybe you will face some problem. That time you should be so strong that what I can do right now. And that's what I did. And now then I started learning about affiliate marketing, started learning more about what I can do. And then I came across to Siddharth Rajsekar, because we were in the same community inside.
Yeah, Purushottam, we can't hear you. There's some issue. Purushottam, there's some issue, I think so. Okay, guys, let me take over the things. How are you loving the journey right till now? Again, Purushottam, I think so. You become the host. You take charge of the things.
Yes. I was going to tell you that same. Yes.
I'm actually working on some other documents that I need to put in focus as soon as possible.
Okay. Awesome. So guys, that's how then I started working on affiliate marketing. Okay. I started working on affiliate marketing. Then me and Siddharth Rasekar were in one of the this session, and in the same journey we are going through, but somebody's achieved great results. How many of you agree that maybe you started a journey, maybe in a Devrat community, maybe 100 students join the course, and some people start getting crazy results, awesome results, and some people don't get results. Likewise, the same was I was in one of the community, and Siddharth Rajsekar was getting massive results. Then what I should do? Voice is not coming. How many of you are able to hear me clearly? Just type clear. How many of you are able to hear me? Just type clear. Awesome. The people who are not getting my voice, it's your system issue. Okay. So now, yeah, thank you so much for guys. Thank you for clearing. So I was talking about when you are in a community, when somebody get massive results, crazy results, then what you should do? You should go and ask for a help. You should go and listen to that person. Because in your industry, if you want a success, find 10 top people who are achieving great results. Follow their principles, follow their success principles, what they are doing, and avoid the things which avoid failures. Okay, I'm talking about from their learning, and you will be the 11th one. When you follow 10 top people in your industry, first thing is go and find 10 people in your industry and follow the people, and you will be the 11th one. And I started following Siddharth Rajsekar. I asked him, bro, I am in all the problem. I will do whatever it takes, but please help me in this journey. And I started his courses and a lot of things. And I'm telling you, I launched my course about affiliate marketing and I failed again. I'm telling you, I invested money which I didn't had. I recorded videos. Everything was ready. I started talking to the people. Guys, I want to help you to become entrepreneur, not just affiliate marketer. I'm going to teach you this. I will help you all these things. And only one person purchased. He was my childhood friend. And he's also doing nothing into that now. He's not even watching my videos. He paid 5,000 rupees. Even he was not watching even one day. It was a 3 days course. Not even single video he watched. Okay, then I realized, man, what is going on now? Let me tell you guys here as well, that it's not about you to launch a course based on what is working in the market. It's about you, that what you love to do. Okay, here it comes that unique positioning. I didn't had that kind of in unique positioning because I was struggling into this red ocean, which is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is good, it's great to start, but it's a red ocean if you just start and talking about I will teach you affiliate marketing, or you are doing affiliate marketing. Okay, and that the point, I understand that when I need to have unique positioning, I have to create a blue ocean for myself. Okay.
I would agree with this point. See, people, again, like 3 days back, I got a message from someone. Hey, bro, I am really passionate enough and I want to teach affiliate marketing. I said, can you just give me a one-line definition of affiliate marketing?
Mm-hmm.
He was like, nothing. He was not knowing anything. Then I asked him, from where you got to know about affiliate marketing? He told that I watched video of Saurabh Bhatnagar that actually went viral.
Mm-hmm.
Then I thought I would be doing this, and I watched 4-5 more video, and now I love affiliate marketing. Guys, it is not, this industry does not works like this. What you like is not what would pay you the money. Okay, this is simple. What you like would not pay you the money. You can pay the bill, and you could master a skill only when you're ready to give it all in. And if you don't love your work, you won't be able to give your all in. Just to give you an example, guys. Yeah.
Let me tell you one thing. Right now, Devrat is also doing affiliate marketing. I am also doing affiliate marketing. What point you should understand? There is a uniqueness. Okay.
Yes.
Still, I'm doing affiliate marketing, guys. Okay. Right now, even I crossed $5,000 in a ClickFunnels.
I told that to people. I remember your ClickFunnels. That was, I think, the first conversation we had when you had that ClickFunnels screenshot.
Yes. So main point is, I'm doing affiliate marketing, but in a different way. Right now, you can do affiliate marketing. Every industry have affiliate products, but you have to find your own uniqueness to get in front of the market. Okay, to go in front of market, you have to have your uniqueness. Now, Devrat have his different uniqueness. Whatever he's doing, because of that, people join. And inside whatever he's going to teach, there are products which he can offer as an affiliate because he recommend. Yeah.
Again, see, what I have done is I have segregated my list. So, guys, just to tell you, there are some people, again, I don't want to be very specific, but I see people promoting products. And once you buy the product, you have to promote product. Okay. There is some affiliate marketing in India going on that usually relies on putting screenshot of the product. So what I just want to share my screen. Actually, last night, because I can't show my JVZoo account right now because I need to enter all my details. There's a lot of process to get into my JVZoo account. I want to share you the screenshots of my JVZoo account. Like me and my partner both have a JVZoo account, and we also do affiliate marketing. We promote LTT deals, and there are other people just in case of, let's say, Purushottam, he promotes more or less like ClickFunnels type of recurring deals. And there's a difference of being unique into the affiliate marketing industry, because nowadays it's becoming a trend that people love to talk about affiliate marketing. But the core essence of affiliate marketing is trying to help people. This is the really core essence of affiliate marketing. You bring
Yes.
a product, okay? You should bring a product that should really help people. That's the core essence, okay? So this is the screenshot that I took just day before yesterday. I won't like to get into my ClickFunnels account, in my JVZoo account, because that's a shared account and that has a lot of details. So this is the commissions structure that I just took yesterday to share with one of my team member. Again, I do not like to post this thing on my personal profile or on my Facebook profile, okay? Because you have to be unique. You have to know your ideal customer audience. You have to know
Yes.
your ideal target audience. What should be inspiring to them? I know interviews and videos like that would be something which would be inspiring. I do that in my videos. I make sure that this is what you get to the most. And
Yeah.
again, you have to find that uniqueness into your business. I think so. You call it like blue ocean theory or something like that, because I've not read that
Yes.
book, so I'm quite not aware of that.
It's just about that you have to find your own uniqueness. It's like creating a blue ocean. Right now, if somebody is doing affiliate marketing, so there are different kind of affiliate marketing as well. Okay, that's called you can do affiliate marketing only in health area. You can do affiliate marketing, like you can go more deeper. Okay, go narrow. Once you go narrow, your micro niche, and that's the way that you will find your own uniqueness. That's the blue ocean. And in my case, then I started like, man, I am failing a lot. Now I need to do something. And one day what happened, how many of you would like to know that how I started with the, like how I came across to video making mastery idea, how I started, how I got this idea. So that if I tell you that story, maybe you will find your own uniqueness. Maybe you will find what you can do better. Okay. Awesome. Awesome. A lot of people want to know. Okay. So what happened? The time started where I had again the situation because of failing my first. I launched the course, I failed, and the situation became more critical as a financial and everything. So I started becoming lazy. I was just sleeping at home. I was just watching some movies and entertainment, and just like 4 5 days, 1 week went like this. I was doing nothing. I'm telling you, sometimes when you have a lot of pressure, you should leave everything. Just be with yourself. I did that with myself. And one guy came and sent me message, hey bro, I purchased one funnel away challenge from your link, thank you so much, thank you so much, something like that. I'm telling you, one funnel away challenge means he have purchased $129 product, and I earn $100 commission. I earn $100 commission, and I was lazy, just I was doing nothing. And I should be happy, right? In India, it's $1,100 means like 7,000 rupees. A
Are
lot
you
of people.
talking about OFA, bro? OFA
Yeah,
by
OFA, one funnel away challenge, OFA. So some guy watched my video and he purchased one funnel away challenge through my affiliate link. He was so happy. He sent me message, and I was that time doing nothing, man. Like I was just lazy guy that time. And I should get happy, right? When I earned 7,000 rupees when I was just lazy. But I got curious that why, from where he got to know and how he purchased. And I asked him. Then he said, hey bro, I watched one of your video, it given me a lot of energy. Wow man, thank you so much. And I purchased immediately. Comment below wow, because I'm going to tell you one more crazy thing. Just a wow right now, that I was just a lazy guy. I was doing nothing. I had no money. I failed in launching my course, affiliate marketing, and I was just lazy. And one guy coming and telling me, "Hey, bro, I purchased this OFA challenge from your link," and that guy was 65-year-old Devrad, 65-year-old from Australia, and that guy purchased the course, purchased that $100. I said, "Oh my god!" How many of you said just type OMG? That 65-year-old watched my video and got inspired, got energy, and invested $129 just because of my video and the kind of energy he got. Then
last
like
last night same thing happened with me. So
yeah.
I actually run a lot of marketing campaign internationally. This is guys also for your learning. uh, we both, okay, let's just come to a very specific point. Me and Purushottam are a very strong advocate of paid ads.
Hmm.
We think that success is, again, like if you want success in a specific industry, first of all, you should have a, please take a point notes or something like that. Uh, First of all, take like point, the one thing that you should have is a unique product. That's one simple thing. And second thing with that, be a strong advocate of bringing in traffic. Last night I was running an ad, and there was someone who bought my there's a funnel. Okay, we have a funnel, you know, in our industry. So he bought the front end, which was of $67, and then he bought that uh, uh, the again OTOs for it, and that the whole funnel cost was around 280 bucks, and then you just divide it by 2, I get the percentage. Getting this money, I reached out to this guy because again I have a fulfillment form where you have to give your details. I just saw the age that he's 73, and he wanted to when I asked that what's the prime reason you bought the funnel, okay, there's a question in my sheet, and he said, I love the videos. I love the way you present a business or online opportunity. And that is the reason I have invested in this course. I don't know that I would be able to make this money back, but I really want to learn something new in my life. And that's, I think, so maybe the inspiration for VMM as well. Like, this is just my thought process
Yes.
that can be a, because a lot of people I am talking to are saying we purchased VMM because we just wanted to learn a new skill.
Yes, but you, because video making skill, and when your video has that power to give you authority, videos has the power that people can trust on you, believe on you. Right, the time when that time gone where you are just behind the screen and you are doing kind of some kind of things, that time gone, because people, because it's a people business, guys. Please understand, it's a people business. And real people are going to invest money from their own pocket. So unless and until they believe and trust on you, how they will take action to buy anything from you, even if it is affiliate marketing, right? So that day I got an idea, oh my god, like people are getting inspired by my videos, people are getting energy from my videos, why not I work on this thing? And now, guys, that moment I was lazy. What I have been doing, these are two things. On based on these two things, you can find that one thing. Are you getting my point? Just type I'm with you. If you are with me, just type with you. That if you truly want to find something of your own, just one thing, you have to focus on what you love to do and what you have been doing. So now I started focusing on what I have been doing. Yes, let me clarify you more. I stopped and I started thinking what I have been doing, and I came across that I have been doing a lot of videos and I have been documenting my complete journey. I was not even able to speak English. I started speaking English. I started making videos, and now a lot of people are getting inspired by my videos. This is a journey. Now you should know that your success will not inspire people. Your message will not inspire people. Your journey will inspire people. Type journey in the comment box. And your journey means what you have passed, what you have been doing. Your journey will inspire people, because a lot of people now join my course because they see themselves in me. I am the person who not able to speak English. I am not able to make videos. I'm not able to do this. So likewise, whatever you want to launch, whatever you want to do, you need to think about how I will connect with my people. And to connect with people, you need to have a journey that inspire people, because people want to go from where they are to where they want to be. And now you need to have that journey which connect people. Just I loved it. If you loved the thought that your people will get inspired by the journey. And now I started seeing that, man, I have a journey, I have a story, and story sells. That night, I'm telling you, in just 5 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes, I have noted down the curriculum for video making mastery. Just a wow. I'm not just telling you to just say wow, but that's the truth. In just 5 minutes, I got an idea that this is what I'm going to do, and this will be the curriculum. There will be 3 stages. Boom, 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 done. And tomorrow morning, I woke up, and my younger brother is also there. He also given me some ideas, and I said, now let's record. And I started recording the course. This was the journey, guys. So I hope you got idea that you need to go back and think about what you have been doing a lot. And I'm telling you, you don't have to be expert. I'm telling you right now, maybe there are people who are great than the way the way I speak. There are more like better communicator than me. There are better video maker than me. But still, I have right now around 1600 people community. Why? Because I took massive inspired imperfect actions. You don't have to be like expert. People have wrong meaning about expert. Expert doesn't mean like you have to have a PhD in that thing. Expert means just one page ahead, and you are able to explain whatever on one page ahead to the people who are behind you. That's it. Right now what Devrat is doing, he's guiding, he's ahead of you. Maybe he's younger than you, but he's ahead in that book, and he's guiding you what is behind. Book doesn't mean just a book, a physical book. It's an experience book. Okay, he's ahead and he's guiding you. So it doesn't mean you have to be an expert into that thing. Okay, you have to just share the things, knowledge, everything, the people who are behind you. And now guys, you are here right now. How many of you believe that you are here, you are learning this, you are still listening to me, you are still watching Devrat? You like billions of people, millions and billions of people are behind you. How many of you agree that? Because you have unique different knowledge, you are listening to the great mentors. How many of you agree with me that there are millions and billions of people who are behind you? They don't know the knowledge you have, they don't have the experiences you have, they don't have the experiences, the success you have. Now tell me, there are people who are ready to learn from you if you share that knowledge with effectively. As an expert, you have to be as a master and just go into enter into their world to teach them, guide them. Yes, Devra, this was a journey where I said like I will go ahead, I will take in inspired imperfect actions, whatever it takes. This is one life, and I love doing this, and I started, and that's how the winning course came. But people know like, hey man, Purushottam launched a course and he got massive success. No, the success and this advertisement, the online business is all about experiment, guys. Experiment. Type right now. Marketing is all about experiment, observation, and optimization. This is what you have to
so
do.
can you type that?
Yes, nobody is perfect in the world.
Yeah. Can you type that three things that you just talked about into the chat section? That was
Yes.
really three good, great points.
Yes, experiment, observe, and optimize.
Okay, experiment.
Guys,
let me type in.
Experiment, observe, then optimize.
Awesome.
Yeah, man.
These are the three things. Okay, Purushottam, let's be more precise enough with the community that we have, because a lot of people actually turned up for the webinar that I was not even expecting. The three things, again, like you said a lot of things, but let's go with two things. Okay, one, let's talk about your funnel. That's point number one. And second, what are the three things to take into consideration while creating a course? If anyone wants to create a course and get success, because again,
you're talking about three secrets. Three secrets, right?
Yeah, three secrets.
Yeah, the three secrets.
Because again, I know that you have did a successful course launch and you have did an unsuccessful full course launch. So you're learning from both this perspective. Okay, from both this perspective. So if anyone wants to start their course, what are the three things that they need to do? And about your funnel.
Yes. Yes. So guys, write down the first. In the midnight, I got this idea, Devrat. What if right now I'm getting results? What if somebody comes like Devrat or anybody and asks me, hey bro, what are the three secrets you think of achieving these results? Right down. The first one is, guys, the unique positioning. I will again and again tell, this is very important. You will not able to scale right now. A lot of people are knowing me because I'm scaling. My videos are reaching out to millions of people right now. Okay, every week I have reached out unique positioning. Go and type. Second thing, honest problem solving product. Whatever course you want to launch, whatever you want to do, that should be honest problem solving. I'm talking about, I'm including that with the intention, problem solving product. And third is massive targeted advertisement. These are the three things I have not done for my last course. Devrat, I hope you got an answer now. These are three most important thing anybody should consider before launching any course, any program, whatever they want to do. Unique positioning. And now Kushgar talking about how to find that unique positioning. That's what I was talking about. Finding, having a, like, there are red ocean specific thing you can teach. Go and more specific. I have a friend who loves dogs, and he's like foreigner how to train their dog, and he launched the course. He crossed millions of dollars. Does it mean like we should go and launch a course which is train how to train dog because it is working? No. But he found that, man, this is what I love and I should do it. And I already told you, it's all about experiment, observe, and then optimize. And whatever things now you are thinking about, I want to find this unique positioning. So please tell me, how many of you think that you should find a niche which is direct perfect, and once you launch a course, it should run and it should win? No. Unless until you take action and experiment, how you know that this is perfect? Unless and until you take a step ahead and launch it, experiment.
Purushottam, can you please have a look over your phone? I think so the internet is quite weak.
There is no way unique positioning. Just type. People are listening, bro. People are listening. Like, you can see these comments. No way, no way, no way. Everything is right. Don't worry. Yeah. Yes, voice is also clear. Okay, there is no way right now. Whatever the things you think, man, I love this. Go ahead and do it. Do the experiment. It's all about doing experiment. And if you delayed this process, you are delaying your success now. The people who are just, they go everywhere. They go everywhere and they want to just want to know, please tell me how to find niche, which niche I should choose. They know what they love to do, but they are not courageous to take that action to do the experiment. So you don't need money, you need courage to take things forward, to take actions. Type in the comment box, guys. You don't need money, you need courage to do that. Okay, whatever I'm doing right now, not because of just you already know I didn't have money. What I had a courage to take risk. I had a courage to take actions. I had a courage to be ready to fail. I had a courage to experience these problems. And how many of you think that this is right, where when we start this journey, we expect success? Type expect success if you think like when you start this journey, if you join the Devrat course and you expect success. Just type expect success if you are expecting success. Now I'm telling you guys, when you're starting any journey, whatever you want to do in your life, if you expect success, you will get disappointments, because you should expect problems. The people who expect problems are always ready to tackle them and always ready to win in that life, win in that game. So everybody started expecting success. That's not the way of achieving success. We face a lot of problems, and once problems started getting this thing, oh my God, I'm getting problem. Why I'm getting problem? What is happening with me? This is happening only with me, and they give up. But in my case, I expected problems in my life. I'm ready to tackle all the problems, and that's how I started growing. This kind of mindset you should have.
Okay, there's some quite beautiful questions by Ajinkya, and I would like Purushottam to answer this, because again, this is something which could relate to the numbers, and I love to be into the numbers game. We both love to be into the numbers game.
Guys, I have already shown you that. Give me a second. This was the spent like 7,76,000, and last 30 days, right? I shown you last 30 days I'm around 19,29,000. So you can calculate now. Okay, spent is this much, and the revenue is 19,29,000. And now you can find out the profit. How many more products in pipeline? Yes, and this is only first product, video making mastery. And I have next product where I'm teaching how to monetize the knowledge, and that is 5,000 rupees course. maybe I can show you here in payments. People are also purchasing that course as well. Okay, I'm not.
This is Pradeep Malviya.
Yes, you can see Pradeep
499.
Malviya. You can see 49995. So even people purchase next level courses. So I have next two level of courses. So this is just I'm investing my money to get first level people courses where they. But what I did different, guys. Let me tell you, Devrat. A lot of people started launching a course and they make a situation where they have to pay if they want to go ahead. Now that person expected like I want to learn this particular thing, and when they join the community they have a funnel where they have to pay money if they want to go ahead. But in my case, I launched this course, Video Making Mastery. I said I will give complete knowledge. This is a 30 days course, and they will get what they have expected, which is mastering video making skill. In 30 days, they will achieve that. They don't have to pay even single extra rupees to do that. And I have given that choice of joining next level course to people, to audience, to my students. This is one more thing, guys. If you are planning to sell multi-level courses, you have to think in this way. You should not think about I need to sell. You think about how I can create a situation where people will choose to go to the next level.
Again, this is something a really great point. See,
Yes.
again, we have two parts. Okay, my job is not to sell. Okay, my job is not to sell in the company. My job is to educate people. This is what I need to learn from you again. Is my job is to educate people. I have separate sales guys, only two team members of mine who are also equally giving value on sales. But it is completely up to the will of a person that he wants to go ahead or not. I was actually thinking to make this because we actually are people who rely a lot on our network. Like we have built good networks over the period of time. Last night, the first message that I sent you was interview with you, and then I started sending messages to all the people in my list who are like millionaires in their industry. What I learned, I thought that okay, let's take all these sessions to the premium enrolled members of my course. So there's a tripwire and there's a premium enrolled member. Then I thought, why not let's give value to everyone, and if they see that this is what they get initially, they'll also opt in for another funnels. So
Yes.
again, it's all about just giving value, I would think.
Yeah, man, that's true.
Then
So
go ahead with the fifth, sixth, and seventh. Four more questions remaining.
yeah, where are the questions?
It's here
Yeah,
in the chat section. How advertising money was rolling? You spent 9
like
lakhs.
yes. I started with 500 rupees per day. Then 600. I got two sales. Two sales means two to four thousand.
You sent me the screenshot after the third sale. You sent
Yeah,
me.
even I sent screenshots. Then it was like I was earning, and we don't expense. We don't do any expense, guys. I'm telling you. Even if you take example of Devrat, like we invest all the money in our business or in our tools. Okay, so whatever I was earning, I was putting back. So it's not just about 50k rolling. Even I invested 43,000 in a single day as well. Okay, so it's not about just 1 lakh and all the things. So whatever money I used to get, and I'm telling you guys, it's not like if I earn 1 lakh then I will invest 1 lakh direct per day. No, if I earn 50,000 in a day, I will not invest 50,000 in a day, because even that is not good for Facebook. You cannot scale in that way. You have to see the results of 3 days, 6 days, and based on that, if it is stable, then you have to scale it. If you scale directly to the, like, if you are spending 2,000 rupees and you earn more money and you have more money and you will invest like 10,000 rupees in a day, maybe 50,000 rupees in a day, it will crash. It will crash, and like you will have no money with you now. So that's why I went slowly. I was increasing increasing budget, increasing 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. Likewise, I went my highest spent like 43,000 in a day, I think so. 43 or 53, 55, 45,000 in a day. And highest earning was around 1,34,000 in a day. Around 1,34,000 rupees was my the highest revenue till the time. It will become 200k very soon.
Okay.
Yes. And next
Next one.
is, how
How
long
long?
can you sell these products and projected sales? How long? Yes, man. Like I can
Forever.
sell,
I would say forever.
yeah, forever, because this is a skill which everybody needs. And every time people are like, new people are getting born in this industry now. Everybody.
Seventh question I like to answer. Okay, what if someone copies your course? I would
Yes.
say they could copy Purushottam's course. Okay, they can
Yes.
copy the course. It's very easy to copy the course, but they can't copy the journey what Purushottam actually had. The journey is really important. That can't be copied by anyone. Journey can be used as a tool of marketing to frame it in a story and to reach out to more people. That's second number thing. The learnings that he got from his journey cannot be copied, and that's, I think so, what he's really teaching in his course. The fourth and the most important point is that because me and Purushottam are connected and I usually see his story, he wakes up, like we usually chat till like 6 a.m. in the morning or 7 a.m. in the morning by talking about ads optimization and things like that, and some other personal topics, totally, totally leaving that things aside. So one thing that anyone cannot copy is the way he's providing knowledge to his community. He's
Yes.
doing webinars on a daily basis. He's doing
Every
something
morning.
yeah, early morning 7 a.m. मतलब जब मैं सोने का प्लान करता हूँ तब he's doing webinars. And not only that, he's sleeping at around 2:30 or 3 a.m. and then he's waking up again at 7 a.m. and he's delivering value. And he's making sure that best people from the industry come on his webinar and come on his things like that. Okay, that's what I am doing. That's what Purushottam doing.
Yes.
People can copy us. People can copy our course, but people cannot copy the network that we have built over years. Like
Yes.
if someone else from you guys only, someone messaged to Purushottam and asked him to come on a webinar and share every bit of knowledge that he has, he would be not able to do that initially. He would feel a bit hesitant to doing that.
Yes.
So something, this is the what I would say, like anyone can copy any product, anyone can copy any course, but you cannot copy the journey, you cannot copy the value deliberation. See, I get a lot of feedback from my community. Even like if I want to create a YouTube video, I get feedbacks from my communities and then I create my videos. End of the day, making sure that we give as much value as I can.
Yeah. Let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you one thing, Devraj, that you are on a point. Okay, people cannot copy the journey. One more thing, that in my course, my course is all about breaking the sale, breaking the signage, killing the fear. So it's not about giving a tactics. People can copy the steps and the tactics and the tricks I given to become comfortable in front of camera. They can copy that, but to guide people to break their sales, to get them into the energy to do whatever it takes, that need the journey. For that you need journey. And because of me, I have, the way I told you, I've been documenting that screenshot and all the things. I had no money. Likewise, I have also documented my journey of growing and improving in a video. I have a complete journey of myself while I am speaking better, and now I'm making proper awesome videos. So that journey is also there. They know my complete journey and they said like, if this guy can do, I can do it. So my course is not just about the tactics and the tricks. My course gives them that energy, that environment where they take massive actions. And because of that, they follow the journey and they get results. So it's not about if somebody copy my course and just give some knowledge, that person will not able to scale it to the next level. Okay, I'm going to focus on right now how to have 10,000 students in this year itself. So now see, people will not able to scale that. What's going on?
Again, the next question is how many impressions also. Again, Ajinkya, this question is quite irrelevant, and for this, I would ask
Purushottam. Somebody's sharing screen.
I don't know. You are the host, man. I don't know. You are the host.
Give me a second.
You are being Redmi screen. Again, I don't know how to cope up with this problem.
Yes.
Yeah.
I did it. So next question was how many impressions, clicks, sales, that is what is cost per lead. Cost per lead for selling I'm selling directly 2,000 rupees course. So I'm getting sale at 500 rupees to 800 rupees.
Max it goes to 850 last time you told me.
Yeah. And even for retargeting, we get sale at 300 rupees, 200 rupees, 300 rupees for retargeting. Yes. 9. Also, I have a confusion in pricing. How do you decide pricing? 1,999 works very, very, very well. Even you make 2000 rupees, sometimes it gives problem. In my case, I'm talking about. I plan to do sale for 2020 rupees because it is 2020, right? I had a smart idea. Like this is 2020. So I said like, why not you invest 2020 rupees in 2020 to change your life, something like that. But still 1999 works. For pricing, like it's on your complete funnel plan. Okay, I had a complete funnel plan. That's how I planned it. Like first you think about total target income, then divide predicted number of people, or it depends on similar competition, or you target customer pocket friendly. Thanks for answering above is final question. Okay, so obviously I thought about, man, my biggest goal was to achieve 20 lakh in 2020. Then I said I have a course of 2000 rupees and I will reach out to 1000 people and I will achieve 20 lakh. That was the only thinking I had in my mind, and I have never thought about a competition. 1999 is because that is a that is a good price point. If you want to launch a course, 1999 is very good price point where it will not look cheap and also it won't look costly. How many of you guys agree that if you launch a 4999 course, people can see it's cheap?
Hey,
Okay.
you are targeting me. No,
No,
it all depends upon the funnel. Like, what is
no,
the
no.
funnel
You
that
are
you
giving
have?
webinar, bro. You are giving
Uh,
webinar. Course I'm talking about. I'm talking
no,
about
so now,
course.
the new funnel that we have is actually giving a tripwide course that actually can
Mhm.
bring them the value, and then again it points out to the
No, no.
main funnel.
In my case, I'm talking about. If I'm talking about
Yeah.
a skill, you are
Huh.
giving a different kind of knowledge, bro.
Yes,
He's
yes.
asking me questions. So in my case, what I'm talking about, I'm gonna give you skill.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna give you skill. I'm gonna give 30 days course. And if I'm talking about 4999, that also create a different scenario. So
Yeah,
these are
again,
just
that
this
is.
is a thought process, guys. Okay, I'm not pointing out to anybody. This is like based on the
It
industry.
was just,
Okay.
I was just trying to be sarcastic during the time.
Yeah, I got a point. Okay,
Yes,
so
again, हम लोग we are like so open. Like, if I get a hack, like this is something which would be decreasing your cost per lead. The first
hmm,
message I'll send, it's like to Purushottam, and if
yeah, man.
Purushottam gets something, he just shares it to me.
Yes.
So this is what we have.
And yes, even that point, your target customer pocket friendly. Yes, it is pocket friendly. And I'm telling you, the kind of reviews I'm getting, people like, wow, man. Can we show the reviews right now? Yesterday, I sent them a link of Trustpilot. Let me show them. What do you think?
I would be going with a 5-star review, like on Trustpilot.
No, no. Let me see. Trustpilot. If you go on a Trustpilot, and if you just search video making mastery or my name or anything, if you search, even if you put video make MAKI, you will find only me. And I just did yesterday. If you see this, 57 reviews are there. You can see this. I'm
Hmm.
the initial buyer of video making mastery course, probably within the first 10. It was somewhere in month November 2019. He's talking journey. We were talking about journey itself, right?
Hmm.
So you can see this, guys. A lot of crazy reviews people are talking about. It is an ultimate course if you're afraid to be in front of camera. You have a lot of knowledge and you want to share with the world, but not able to do that because of camera fear. So you are one right place. Purushottam brother is a person who can help you master video making skill. And just yesterday people started giving this. You can see 7 hours. So I'm giving that complete knowledge in just 2000 rupees. Even people have said that, man, in 2000 rupees, how anybody can give this much knowledge? I am just finding those reviews. Okay, a lot of pages there right now. Okay,
I think
you can see this.
I
You
should
can see this. Purushottam Hambade, he's an awesome guy with high moral values. He stands for his words. He over delivered 10x for what he actually charged. He treats us as a family rather student or clients. He taught all his learning from great scholars, success masters, and world class leader to us. You can see this now. Nobody will say that unless and until we over deliver value. So what I thought, if I have a pricing point around 2000 rupees, I will not give 2000 rupees value. The way, same way, Devrat, if he's charging 500 rupees or whatever it is, he's over delivering you value. Okay. And right, I was telling him I will not able to be there in a webinar, bro. He was like, please come, we are waiting, we are eagerly waiting, because he want to over deliver value to you all, guys. Because we are focused on over delivering value. Even if you see Rahul Bhatnagar, we are driven towards over delivering the value. And I used to think, like, in starting journey, hey bro, I got one more thing. the idea of getting this video making mastery, even that point of time I joined Rahul Bhatnagar course. I had no money. Even you maybe you have watched that video with Rahul Bhatnagar, my video. I had no money around Diwali time, and that time because of him I got that energy of, okay man, he's talking about communication mastery, and somewhere back in mind I got like video making mastery, got kind of idea. Okay. And I used to thought like how Rahul Bhatnagar can give this much value, man, this much value, this much over delivering value. Is it, maybe it is not possible for me to do this kind of things, but now if I see, I'm doing it every single day, 1 and 2 hours of webinar. Like
Okay,
I said, now I will go more crazy than Rahul Bhatnagar.
for me, it is actually not possible because what I see is I am not a person like Purushottam is really focused with this course. And in case of I teach something that I actually do, and my actual business is agency.
Yes.
And my if I talk about my 60% of my time goes into like managing of agency and things like that.
Numbers.
Yeah. It goes into just like managing the agency, and then I have not one business. It's not like I'm just focused with one business. But what I try to do is I just bring up the connections and the network that I have to deliver you the value, because I know whatever value I deliver, there would be someone who would be able to deliver more than me. Again, in just we have spent close to 2 hours on this webinar, close to 2 hours, and I got one more YouTube video. And last night, if you guys know, I messaged to all the big names in our industry, all the big names, just for the reason, for the sake of doing this webinar. I did not slept as well. 11 a.m. 10 or 11, I don't even remember the time. I slept at that time. I got up at 1. I messaged to, I used to set up the things and things like this setup. And we did the webinar. It's all about taking that action. Go ahead,
Yes.
start doing the things. Okay. It's not about are you able to deliver the value or not. If you are even trying, I remember my first webinar. It was absolutely freaked out webinar. Okay, absolutely freaked out webinar. Remember, if anyone has watched my first webinar, it was with Srijan. Okay, that time I even did not knew that there's an option to have messages for host only and things like that. People were saying bad stuff to me because it was my first webinar, and I did not knew how to respond to those things. It's all about taking value. Now, if you could see me, I could handle the complete setup here. I'm even messaging. I'm even doing my phone stuff here, doing some client side work here. I could do all the things. It's all about taking that actions and doing up the things on a day-to-day basis while growing. Okay. 41 people turned up for this webinar, guys. When we announced this thing, Purushottam, remember what was the last time I did you the message? It was around, I think, so 1 or 2 a.m. 1 or 2
Yes.
a.m. I messaged to Purushottam. I got a yes from him. I messaged in the group. This is what it takes. You have to give your all in to become successful in life. I was not a course creator. That was my biggest issue. But till now, when I go into my YouTube studio, there are some, and my Vimeo account, there are like more than 200 plus videos that we have already recorded. Okay, more than 200 plus. Some
Wow.
like 60% are for our other programs print, and 40% are like live videos. Like that, you could go ahead and watch it on YouTube.
Yeah.
It's all
Kushgar
about
asking,
giving value.
Kushgar asking how many videos we have to put in the courses. It's based on the like what kind of transformation you want to bring in your students, what kind of results you want to bring in your students, and for that you need to know the problems, what problems they have, and you have to solve those problems. And to solve the problems, you have to think about how many videos you need. And now here is the answer for you. People want to give knowledge. When you want to launch a course, people want to give knowledge. No, you have to think about solving the problems. How many of you got a bulb on that launching course is not about giving knowledge, it's about solving others problem. And when you have to organize all the problems, what problems my audience facing, and organize that problems properly, that becomes curriculum if you know the solutions. And based on that, you can record videos. I have like around 50 plus videos in my course, step by step. And my focus is more to people to take action to make more videos. I'm not just giving a lot of big videos of a lot of like 10 minutes hours and hours kind of things. No, There are so many different ways to make money online, selling courses, selling services, etc. How to pick what to do? What you will tell, Devrat?
I'll tell do everything in whatever you are successful. Just scale up the things, because
Yeah.
I have scaled the businesses in which I had zero knowledge. Okay, I had uh, uh,
So
businesses that
what I can tell them, guys, like we are thinking about selling courses, selling services, and all the things. How to pick, what to do. I will tell you, get a skills to do those things. Are you getting my point?
Hmm,
That
you should.
thinking about selling courses, and first we should think about to know that thing, right? If you want to sell a course, you need to have a skill to create a course, and to create a course you need to have problem solving knowledge which can solve somebody's problem. And if somebody see, oh wow, my problem will solve if I join this course, then they will join the course. This is simple funda, right? If you want to do services, you need to know how to run services. If you know, then go and experiment, as I already told you. Now Devrat found that selling course is not my thing right now. He loved giving services, doing advertisement and all the things. He started doing experiment. He started getting results and he's loving now. He's doing that the
And
same way.
I'm simultaneously managing both things. Like I
Yes.
dedicate my Monday to Friday to my agency and my other businesses. I make sure that on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I would have my webinars. I would try to deliver the value that I already know inside my courses or whatever I'm doing on a day-to-day basis. It's like more of a practical sort of stuff. My courses are more oriented to practical things and selling your services and getting up to your clients and reaching out to them, talking to them, things like that. And I realized over time that if you can do this simultaneously, what you are twitching in life and what you are doing daily on a day-to-day basis, that's one of the best way. Okay, like that's one of the best way to sell. The one thing that again,
Hmm.
it all comes down to the story part. Okay, in order to sell something, you should have a story.
Yes.
I make 17 year as my story. Okay, that's my story and that's my core focus. Okay, that because what happens is that I have that unique thing, okay? Like there are a lot of people in the age group 16 or 17 who start watching Grant Cardone with Instagram on their phone, who start watching Gary Vee, who start watching Digital Pratik and people like them. They get inspired, but they really don't know that is there someone who's successful at 16, 17? And if you
Hmm.
go on YouTube and search these terms, you'll get a lot of people reaching out to you, like, okay, how to do this, and one of the most successful videos on internet are something like he became successful at the age of 17, or she became successful at the age of 17. And just to tell you guys, when we during the time I had this interview on Rahul Bhatnagir's channel, my first interview, where I did 1.30 lakhs in just a period of 3 days. That video just took off. Okay, it was one of the top three videos on Rahul Bhatnagar's channel for around a period of, let's say, 6 to 8 months. Okay, so I got my unique angle, my unique positioning. I'm trying to sell that. So don't try to be something very different from the industry. In being different, you are not able to be what you are. People also try to be very different. Like people would try to copy Purushottam, but again, you can't copy the person he is. Okay, you can't copy the person I am. Okay, and in copying, you will lose the real person you are. And courses and all these things. Okay, either you talk about courses or either you talk about a service. It's all about it's all about just being truth. Okay, just showing the truth to people. Okay,
Yes.
just, just
That's why I said problem solving honest product.
hmm. So that's it, guys. Any more questions would be welcome. We'll be open for 3 minutes. A window
That's
of
what I said.
yeah, a 3 minutes window would be
Yes.
open to put down your questions, and then I'll want to have Purushottam's final message to the community,
Yes.
and then we'll just close up the things.
Sure. Sure. Hey Purushottam, can I sell 100 apps on Zevizu or ClickBank? I don't have any experience of that.
Yes, they can.
Yes, you can do it. I want to launch technical courses. Yes, you can do it. The main thing is right now, if you want to launch any courses, you need to speak effectively in front of camera to share the knowledge. Because let me tell you guys, sharing courses comes into the knowledge business, and knowledge business is the world's top business right now. It's around $315 million a day kind of transactions are going on. $315 million a day transactions are going on in knowledge business, because people want to learn, and it is going to be $1 billion in 2025. Okay. And now let me tell you, if somebody asking me about launching course is all about giving a good experience to your audience of your knowledge. And you will not able to give good experience if you don't have proper tools and skills to share your knowledge and give experience. So you need to learn about that. Okay. If I just answer this, it doesn't mean like you will launch a course. You need to find right mentors for you. Though
Uh,
is Devrat or Rahul, but not anybody. Yeah.
Again, guys, don't ask questions specifically for Facebook ads because I have something scheduled for you. I'm calling up a mentor for you guys who is doing right now around $1 million every month in dollars, again, millions in dollars on just Facebook ads. So we'll learn very deep into Facebook ads from him. Okay, not Saurabh sir. I'm talking about he's someone very different. Okay, someone he's a close friend of mine, and I'm getting him on a webinar in future. Okay, so guys, what we'll do is if you have any questions, just comment it into the groups that we have. What I'll do is I'll just forward that to Purushottam, and Purushottam would give a voice note or something like that, and I'll forward you back if you have any questions that we missed. Overall, how was your experience with my community, Purushottam? Again,
Yeah, man, it was actually for myself, it was a crazy experience the way I came here now. But I can see the good response. What I realize is people have good questions, technical questions, and they think in a way like how it will help me. Okay, come to the point. This kind of community is really important where people want to know the knowledge and they have awesome questions. So I really appreciate you guys, the kind of questions you have, and definitely next time I will come in a better mindset with the proper energy. Okay. And it's like around 4 p.m. I had not even had a lunch, but still I
same
tried
here,
my
bro.
best. Yeah.
Same here.
So so guys, thank you so much for this, and it was an
Again, I
awesome
missed
experience.
something. I missed something as usual from you. Your
Yeah.
Instagram stories.
Yes.
I
Let's
think
do
you
it.
missed that thing.
I already recorded one, bro. Yeah. So guys, it was awesome webinar with Devrat Singh in his community. Thank you so much, Devrat, for inviting me. How was the experience, bro? You can tell me now.
I would give a 5 star. I would
Five
give.
star. Wow, that's awesome. So you can see a lot of people are here right now, and thank you so much, guys, for listening to me. It was really awesome. People are talking about 10 star. You can share your experience. How was it? If you loved it, just you can type, guys, loved it. If you loved this, that even without having a lot of energy, physical energy, but we have energy of passion, right? These people are saying a lot of loved it, great energy, bro. Thank you so much, guys, and definitely I will come again here with more energy, with more knowledge, with more value. And please give thanks to Devrat. And I am also grateful to have a friend like Devrat, because he take massive actions. And I love you, bro. Go and take
Thanks a lot,
actions.
everyone.
Keep giving
Okay.
value.
Again, if you want to see real energy of Purushottam, go back to my YouTube channel. There's a video
Yes.
that we have posted in which Purushottam was in full energy, and my energy was actually down because I had again worked like 2-3 nights on the thing. So things
Yes.
like that. And thanks a lot, Purushottam, for delivering so much value on talking on a very important conversation like how to create courses and scale it to 20 lakh rupees a month. Like you'll be scaling by the end of the day to 20 lakhs. Okay. Uh,
Yes.
in a 30-day overview period. So thanks for sharing that, and thanks for sharing the core principles, okay, of creating courses which no one talks about, okay, which actually no one talks about. So
Yes.
it was wonderful having you here. Now you are the host. You could end up the sessions whenever you
Yeah,
need.
man. Thank you so much. Now I will end up the session. God bless you, everyone. Go ahead, take actions, take inspired, massive, imperfect actions to achieve greatness in your life. All the best, and I will see you again. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.